All right, boys. Today I got a banger video for you guys. I've hired the best in the industry right now, locally, of course, to do a complete detailed wax, buff, wet sand. We are going to do the whole work on the Mustang. We are going to completely restore this Mustang new edge to brand new, basically. Called them up. It's a good friend of mine, Amor Detail. That is the name of the company, Amor Detail. I'm gonna leave a link below so you guys can check them out if you're local to South Florida. They are the best in the market right now. Amazing ratings. They do a great job. They go to you to do the job, and I've pretty much hired them, like I said, is a good buddy of mine, to restore this Mustang completely from head to toe. And you are not gonna believe the amazing results. Now, went over yesterday with the wifey to a Cars, I think it's Generation Old School, I believe, over on YouTube. Went to check them out. And we did some filming of some old school cars. I'm going to give you guys some clips of that now. And then we're going to jump into the detail and everything of the vehicle so you guys can see the humongous difference on how the car is looking, because this is a completely new car. So let's get the video started. The wifey here comes to the shows just to sit and get on her phone because it's cold. What do you think of that, Danny?
That's a brand new car, bro.
It is insane, bro.
That's wild.
I can't believe it. All right, so let me tell you a little bit of what they're doing. So it is a complete wash, inside detailed. For the paint correction or the paint job, they're gonna do a deep compound. It is an industry compound. It is way much rougher than something you could pick up at your regular Advanced Auto Part. After that, it's going to be a finisher, and then after that, it's going to be a wax, and after that, it's going to be a light like polish on it, and they're going to do everything on the plastics to restore the plastics too. Now, the way I had the car when I bought it, I'm going to try to get some pics, and I'm going to put some before and after pics. If I can find some, you'll see it right now, and you can see the difference in the end of the video. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to see the amazing results, because I don't want to spoil it for you guys yet. I'm not going to show you the car within the beginning of the video because I don't want to spoil it yet. This is an amazing car. It almost like show quality paint job the way it came out. So there's obviously a lot of noise, but we're going to get this looking amazing. We're gonna get this looking great. As you guys can see, the paint there just looks horrible. But we got the gentlemen here. We're washing 3 cars. We're washing everyone else's car, and then we're gonna go ahead and buff this one out. This should come out looking great. All right, guys. So we're washing it now as the first step. I removed the wing because I wanted to obviously hit everything up, the compound, everything up. I definitely have to take this car to get the rear bumper painted and get this stuff painted. I have a very good surprise for the front, but this is there's a little bit of noise from the compressor on, but this is the first step now of the wash, and then comes the compound and everything else and the polish, and supposedly it's gonna come out amazing. could tell the difference already in the back, but I think the biggest difference is gonna come on the hood. That's gonna look amazing. I mean, if we look over here, holy mother of God, that looks amazing. So I didn't show it on video, but I tried to do the roof myself. Obviously, humongous difference because what they're doing is super professional, and look at how everything's coming out. The only thing I would like to get in here would be later on in the crevices, like maybe a little toothbrush or something. At some point. What do you think of that, Danny?
Ooh, that's a brand new car, bro.
This is insane, bro.
That's wild.
I can't believe it.